Hey, fourth graders. This is the dictionary, alphabetical order, pages 219 to 221 in your language books. So let's get started with this lesson. A really important thing to keep in mind with words in the dictionary is that the words are arranged in alphabetical order, also known as ABC order. So right here I have 5 words. They are bagel, crisp, angel, crab, and cat. So if I were to ask you to arrange these words in alphabetical order, which word would come first, which one would come second. So let's go over some rules on arranging items in alphabetical order. So first thing you want to do, of course, look at the first letter of each word and see which letter comes first. You can write your ABCs somewhere. So here I have the letter B, C, A, C, and C again. So A comes first. So angel will be the first word. Sorry. So angel would be the first word arranged in ABC order. Next, look at the next word. So now I have bagel, crisp, crab, and cat left. So B and C. Which letter comes first, B or C? Yeah, B, of course, right? Because B is our next letter in the alphabet. So B comes second. And now I have 3 words left, crisp, crab, and cat. Now they all have the same first letter. So if the first letter is the same, then you have to look at the second letter. So the second letter for crisp is R. Crab is also R. For cat is A. Well, since A comes before R, cat will be the third letter in our, alphabetical order. Now we have crisp and crab left. Since their first 2 letters are the same, C and R, we have to look at the next letter, the third letter. This is for crisp, it is I. For crab, it is A. So A obviously comes before I. So crab will be our 4th letter, and crisp will be our 5th letter since it's the last one. So this is just a general rule of how you would arrange things in alphabetical order. So first thing you want to do, look at the first letter and then the second letter. And if any of the letters are the same, then you got to look at the next letter. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much basic. We've done this before in 2nd grade. Hopefully that's not too complicated. Here's another new thing for me to teach you. Is that, let me see. All right. So right here, I have a drawing of a dictionary. And an easy way to look for words in a dictionary book is to divide up a dictionary into thirds. So this green part is the first third. The green part here is the first third, here's the second third, and here's the third third here. So you can divide up a dictionary into 3 parts. In the first part, for the first third, you can divide it into words that are probably going to be in A, B, C, D, and E. So the first third of a dictionary, it's probably all going to be words that start with the A, B, C, D, and E letters, okay? And the middle third of a dictionary, these are going to be words that start with F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. And the last third are going to be words that start with Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you might be wondering, why is this important to know? Well, if you ever flip through a dictionary, and if you want to look for a word that starts with C, would you go into the middle of the dictionary? Probably not, right? You would probably go somewhere in the beginning because you know that the beginning third of a dictionary, these are words that are going to start with A, B, C, D, and E. If you're looking for a word that starts with a W, would you go to the beginning of a dictionary? No, right? W is more towards the end of the book, end of dictionary, so you would probably flip more towards the back. So this is just something useful to know whenever You ever had a chance to look through a dictionary or an encyclopedia or anything that's arranged in alphabetical order? Most words, a lot of words start with A and E and C, right? These are very common words. A lot of words start with these letters. All right, so let's look at our worksheet. Okay, where's the first one? I believe, yes, here's the first one. All right. So it says, okay, let me fix this. So let's see, think B. Oh, sorry, this is the first page. All right. All right, so think A says, think of which part of the dictionary would have the names of the following animals. So show where each name could be found by writing A through E, F through P, or Q through Z in the blank. So let's go back to this one here. Okay, sorry, let's go. Let me pull up the other. What's this one, right? Okay. All right. So you can also, think of these. You can arrange these groups as A through E. This is F through P, and over here is Q through Z. So it's asking us, hamster. Will we see hamster located through A through E, F through P, or Q through Z? Which group? So we know that hamster starts with an H, and H is in F through P. So you would write F dash P here, okay? Because that's where we would find it. So you should probably do a capital F. Yeah. So F through P. So next one, alligator. Well, alligator starts with an A, so obviously you're going to find it in A through E. Okay. And an M, again, what letter does M fall in between? A through E, F through P, or Q through Z? Yeah, F through P, right? So F dash P again. So go ahead and do the rest by yourself. Let's look at the next page. All right, so this is that's not the next page. Let me pull it up here. Let's see. Here we go. All right, so think B. It's asking us, look at the first letter of the following words, number them in the order which you would find them in the dictionary. All right, so you would look at the first letter of each word, all right, and write the number that they would go in what number order would it go in the dictionary. So you can say the ABCs to yourself. So A, so any words start with A. Oh, yep, apple. So that would be number one. B, let's see, any B words? Yep, bell. So that's two. All right, so keep going until you number all the words here. Think C. It says, William sent the following secret message to his buddy James. Arrange the words in alphabetical order, and you will be able to figure out the message. So you would need to look through all these words here. Look at the first letter of each word, and same thing again. Look for, say the ABCs to yourself. So A, and after. So after, you put a 1 here, and let's see, B, yep, breakfast. So once you're done numbering all the words up here, you can write them in order here. So after breakfast, and you will keep going until you figure out the secret code in this message here. Think D, it says, on notebook paper, write the following list of words in alphabetical order. You will have to look at the second letter in each word. So each of the first, so number 1, dough, dark, delight, drop, and dust, it all starts with a D. So if the first letter is the same, then you get to look at the second letter. So look at the second one, is O, A, E, R, and U. So which one goes first? O, A, E, R, O, U. A is obviously first. And the second one is A, B. There's no B words. No C words. D, nope. E, yep, right here, delight. So that goes second because E goes before O and R and U, right? Okay, so keep doing that. Once you're done, numbering them in alphabetical order, you would write it down. Dark, delight, and so on. Think E. Look at the third letter of the following words. Number the words in alphabetical order. So each of these words starts with S and P. So that's not going to help us in arranging them in alphabetical order. So you need to look at the third letter. All right. The third letter will tell you where they go in alphabetical order. All right, let's look at the next page. Think E. Here's think. All right, here's think F. Think F says arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Write them in the blank below. So same thing. Start with the first letter. Look at the first letter of each word here. All right, some of these are going to have the same first letter. For example, anthem and always. They both start with A. So let's look at the second letter, N and L. Which letter comes first, N or L? All right, L, M, N, right? So L, always, is first. Then anthem. All right, so what's the third one? Any B words? Yep, boasts. It's the only B word, right? Yep. So boast is the third word. All right, so you'll keep going. Think G. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Write them in the blanks below. So exact same thing. All right. So that's about it. Not too bad. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Also, I have some students, scheduled to meet on certain days. So if you want to schedule a meeting with me, I can meet with you every day, once a week, twice a week. So make sure your parents contact me or just let me know. All right. Take care.